Hi, today I'll tell few tips to keep yourself mentally healthy. Firstly, I tell the headings, then I explain these headings very shortly. So let's start it. Number 1, get plenty of sleep. Number 2, eat well. Number 3, avoid alcohol, smoking and drugs. Number 4, get plenty of sunlight. Number 5, manage stress. Number 6, activity and exercise. Number 7, do something you enjoy. Number 8, connect with others and be sociable. Now it's time to explain these headings. So in these headings, number 1, get plenty of sleep. Sleep is really important for our physical and mental health. Sleep helps to regulate the chemical in our brain that transmit informations. These chemicals are important in managing our mood and emotion. If we don't get enough sleep, we can start to feel depressed. Here, number 2, eating well. Eating well is not just important for our bodies, but it is also important for our minds. Mineral deficiency can give us a low mood. Number 3, avoid alcohol, smoking and drugs. When you have had a few drinks, you can feel more depressed the next day, and it can be harder to concentrate. If you smoke between cigarettes, your body and brain go into withdrawal, which makes irritable. Other drugs will often leave you in withdrawal and can often cause very low mood. There is some research that suggests drugs due to related to developing mental disorder. Here, number 4, get plenty of sunlight. Sunlight is great source of vitamin D. Vitamin D is really important for our bodies and mind. It helps our brain to release chemicals which improve our moods. Try to go out in the sun when you can, but make sure you keep your skin and eyes safe. 30 minutes to 2 hours a day of sunlight is ideal. The next one is manage stress. Try to manage your responsibilities and worries by making a list or a schedule of which or when you can resolve each issue. If you break down your worries and stresses and write them down, you realize that they are manageable. Number 6, activity and exercise. Activity and exercise are essential in maintaining good mental health. Being active not only give you a sense of achievement, but it boosts the chemical in your brain that help put you in good mood. Exercise can eliminate low mood, stress and feeling tired and lazy. An idiom is well known in the whole world that a healthy mind is always in a healthy body. The next one is do something you enjoy. But try to make time for doing the fun things you enjoy. If you like going for a walk, painting or a specific TV show, try to set aside time to enjoy yourself. If we don't spend any time doing things we enjoy, we can become unhappy. Understand? We can become unhappy, and unhappy must affect our mental health. Okay, next one is do things for others. Helping other is not just good for others, but also you are happy. It is also good for you too. Okay, and the next and last one is one of the most important way to keep yourself mentally healthy is to recognize when you are not feeling good. There is no shame in asking someone for support if you are feeling low or stress. Thanks a lot. We definitely meet in a new video. So bye bye.